Here I have Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I'm going to show you how to connect XIAOMI AirDots to headphones to this device. So firstly you have to open this case, took one headphone, then when you see this glowing light, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So what you have to do is to just enable Bluetooth on your device, then go to the Bluetooth section, and when you see them in the list of the available devices, just select them to connect to them, then tap pair, and now they are connected. So if you want to disconnect from these headphones, tap on the gear icon here, and you can either disconnect or unpair them forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.